all feeling. It's just you guys on the boat, so we're quite flexible with what we do. What we normally do is just a very quick sweep around the Cromarty Firth first, really just to make sure there's nothing in the way before we go on miles out to sea. We'll tell you a little bit about the port and the history.
Okay, this is Ed Getley. I'm all suited up, getting ready to go out on the boat, and I'll pan around here so you can see everybody else that's suited up also. And if the people want to say hi in the background, they're welcome to wave back there. So see yourself on there. And as we go around here, we're coming in. There's our fearless leader in back of us here. So he's okay. But Ed Getley signing off. We'll see you back on the boat. This is Ed Getley reporting to you from the boat. We just stopped. It's still raining. Raining really hasn't stopped the whole time. Had some hot chocolate, had a cookie. There's probably still water on my lens, even though I tried to wipe it off, but I didn't put the re-enacts on it. So folks are back there, and we're up here. I'm going to turn around on what you see. Didn't see any dolphins or anything here. Saw a couple seals from a distance, some old oil derricks, and that was pretty much it. But I'm all wet and everything, but it's okay. I'll see you later. Bye bye.
On the shore, you might be able to spot some grey herons down there, maybe some mute swans, perhaps.
June 6, 2019.
And one of our more common wading birds, the oyster catcher, which is a black and white, medium-sized wading bird with orange legs and an orange beak.
And we're heading back to the hotel after a grueling day out on the high seas and waves crashing over us. And it was like the Normandy landing here, but it was very apropos because today is June the 6th anyhow here. So, and I'm riding backwards, that's why you see the camera moving this way here. So, all right, see you back at the room. Bye.